Carlos Palanca Street in Quiapo, downtown Manila, Philippines is bustling and full of life. I went there with my friend end of May 2022 to check out 3 decades-old iconic food destinations. The first place we checked out is Excelente Chinese Cooked Ham. It's a decades-old meat shop that sells various cured meats like sausages, ham, bacon, or butchered pork, etc. Chinese ham is like regular cured meat, but it often has a sugary glaze. Although I don't know if they actually eat this in China, a lot of what we label as Chinese food products here in the Philippines are distinctly Chinese Filipino food, and they're not actually something common in China. Anyway, headed out after to the bakery next door, which has also been operating for decades. The Kim Chong Tin Hopia Factory is a bake shop that specializes in the eponymous hopia in its store name, a beloved Filipino snack staple with a flaky crust and various sweet or savory fillings inside. They sell them either as small mini buns or tiny diced ones. The mini bun one is around 50 to 55 Philippine pesos depending on the filling, which is around the equivalent of 1 to 1.3 US dollars. There are a bunch of well-known hopia pastry shops in the Philippines, and I've already made videos about them. I'm gonna link to them in the description below. But what makes the hopia in this store stand out is that they're all freshly made, and they're not processed or packaged for later consumption. They don't really have any packaging or branding, just this thin white paper. It's meant for immediate consumption. I got the hopia with salted egg filling. It's really excellent. The flaky crust is so fine, like good pizza. There were vendors selling roasted peanuts and other various assorted nuts outside the bakery, so I bought a bag of green peas and a bag of freshly roasted garlic peanuts, some of my favorite crunchy snacks. I paid 100 Philippine pesos for both, which is around 2 US dollars. They're really cheap for great snacks. A couple of stores down is another well-known decades-old bakery, the Vienna Bakery. This is more of a traditional Filipino bakery selling comfort food type Filipino baked goods like egg pies, empanadas, sweet Spanish bread rolls, which it's not really Spanish, just the name, encemadas, cheese rolls, and loaves of white bread. This is not a Western bakery, so you won't see them selling ciabatta for your subs or baguettes or focaccia or whole wheat bread loaves or sourdough or brioche buns, etc. Don't bother commenting to ask. You can pause the video to see the labels and the baked goods. I got a pork empanada to go. I also got myself a slice of egg pie to eat right there in the store. It's a popular and typical Filipino snack. The pie itself is wiggly and jiggly, and there's also a hard crust. It's really good. After my snack, I took a few snapshots of the commuters walking along Carlos Palanca Street here in Quiapo where the stores are before I went home. Hope you enjoyed this little slice of life video. Please thumb it up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to be updated when I upload again. See you next video.